The third day of Longtynrai Jong Longrynieng festival under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture and jointly organized by the Shillong Law College and Positive Energy Art Foundation saw a mix of cultural events that were held at the Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong on the 3rd of September 2022. Artists from Ri Bhoi, Jaintia, Khasi and the Garo Hills had the audience tapping their feet to indigenous tunes emanating from traditional musical instruments that accompanied their song and dance performances. An art and craft exhibition was also held to test and showcase the skills of local artisans in the art of pottery making, traditional craft making, drawing, sketching and painting. At the valedictory function that was held during the evening, the Minister of State for Culture, Arjun graced the occasion as chief guest. Also present were the chairperson of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee for Empowerment of Women and also guest of honor, Dr. AMPAREEN, special guest, the National General Secretary of the BJP, BL Santosh, the General Secretary of the UDP, Dr. Jamino Mautho, the Director of the Indian Centre for Cultural Relations, Shillong, Dr. Munish Singh, the Registrar of the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Raj Malik, the Principal of the Shillong Law College, Dr. Sharif Uddin, the Vice Principal of the College, Dr. Mrinalini Kharshieng, the President of the Governing Body, Shillong Law College, D.D. Gurung, Member of the Governing Body of the College, Dr. M.P.R. Lingdaw, the Advocate General Government of Meghalaya, S.P. Mahanta, the Assistant Director Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, D. Kharjana, staff and students of the Shillong Law College, besides others. Winners of various competitions held during the 3-day event were also felicitated during the valedictory program.
Bengali Secondary School. We now move on to the essay competition, junior category.
Dr. AMPAREEN, while addressing the gathering, said that the people of Meghalaya should endure their roots, which is in line with nationalism. Dr. AMPAREEN also requested the Minister of State for Culture, Arjun to facilitate, along with the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, the process of inclusion and recognition of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
Sir, Longtynrai Jong Longrynieng is an important concept for the people of the state of Meghalaya. Sir, we have our own indigenous languages. We have the Khasi language, which is spoken in this part of the state. We have the Garo language that is spoken in the other part of the state of Meghalaya. I take this opportunity, therefore, through you, to the Honorable Prime Minister of this nation, to remember, to recognize our language, Khasi and Garo.
During his valedictory address, the Minister of State for Culture, Government of India, Arjun Ram Meghwal lauded the organizers for the colorful event. Stressing on the importance of language, he enlightened the gathering on the use of Hindi instead of other languages as a tag to the 75th year celebration of India's independence. Arjun Ram Meghwal later enthralled the audience with a self-composed song on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Towards the close of the event, the Khmer Creative Arts Society in Longtynrai also performed a traditional song in praise of the beautiful and rich culture of Meghalaya. Students of the Shillong Law College showcased the culture of the 8 northeastern states of India through various dance performances. A special performance by singer-songwriter Lu Majao was an added attraction to the entire event.
Why not we have used the word platinum and diamond? And why we have used the word Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Can you tell me? Can you tell me the idea behind it? After completing our 75 years, we want that India must be Atmanirbhar, self-sustained, self-sustainable, self-reliant, not only in economy, but in language also. That is why the Indian words, the Indian language, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav have been used. Now you understand it or not? इसके लिए तारीख को जोर से बता दीजिए। तो इसी सिलसिले में मेरा एक गीत है, आप साथ में गाना और उसके बाद मैं मेरी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ, समाप्त करूँगा। देखिए मैंने 13 अगस्त को एक गीत लिखा था, गाया भी मैंने ही है, तो आप साथ साथ गाना और उसको अपन दोहराएंगे और बहुत सिंपल वर्ड में और सिंपल लय में है, कोई भी गा सकता है। हमारे प्रिंसिपल साहब भी गा सकते हैं, हमारे एमएलए साहब भी गा सकते हैं, गाएंगे ना? मैं जो बोलूंगा उसको रिपीट करना है लय में। आओ शुरू करें हर घर तिरंगा अभियान, आओ शुरू करें। मैं जैसे बोलूं उसको रिपीट करो, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। आओ